Does your iPhone stuck in iPhone lock to owner screen or activation lock screen or in disabled screen, or you forgot your passcode? If so, don't worry, I got you. So this is my iPhone and it's stuck on iPhone lock to owner screen and I can't use it at all. So today I will show you how to unlock your iPhone without password in just a few simple steps using PassFab iPhone Unlocker. PassFab iPhone Unlocker is a powerful tool that helps you to remove any iPhone screen lock, bypass Apple ID and iCloud activation lock, unlock iPhones even if you forgot the passcode, disable screen time or MDM without losing data. Whether your iPhone is locked to owner, disabled, a second hand or stuck on the whole screen, PassFab has your back. This tool will allow you to remove screen locks and all types of screen locks like 4-digit, 6-digit and more, bypass the iCloud activation lock, unlock devices instantly, remove Apple ID and turn off Find My iPhone without password from iOS devices, bypass mobile device management and remote management on iOS devices. The software also allows you to manage your iOS passwords, remove screen time passcode, and it's compatible with the latest iOS 26 and iPhone 17 series. Okay, what I'm gonna show you today is how to bypass iCloud activation lock. So let's go ahead and open remove iCloud activation lock option. Okay, here as you see, my iPhone is on iCloud activation screen and now I will use this software to bypass the iCloud lock screen. Okay, now what you need to do is connect your device to your Mac. I will connect my device. My device is now connected. Now before click start, make sure to hit agree button here. Also make sure to read the notes here. The process of removing the iCloud activation lock requires manually placing the device in the if you mode. Also make sure to keep the device connected during the removal process, and when using the software make sure to connect only one iOS device. Okay, go ahead and click start. The software will download the jailbreak tool. Alright, the software is now downloading the jailbreak tool. Jailbreak tool downloaded successfully. You must jailbreak your device before bypass. Click start jailbreak to start jailbreaking your device. As you see, this is the jailbreak tool, which is checkering tool. My device is iPhone 6 Plus and I'm on iOS 12.7.5. Go ahead and hit start. Next, the device will go into recovery mode. You need to put the device into the if you mode. Just follow the instructions you see here in the jailbreak tool to put your device into the if you mode. The jailbreak will apply when your device is in the if you mode. So I will put my iPhone into the if you mode. As you see, all done. If you see all done, this means your device is now jailbroken and everything goes well. Go ahead and close the jailbreak tool and go back to PassFab tool. After successfully jailbreaking, go ahead and click the next button. Here confirm your iOS device info, then click start. The software now will start the process to bypass iCloud activation lock. And boom, as you see, the iCloud activation lock in your device has been successfully removed in less than 10 seconds. This is pretty cool. Now your device should be on the home screen without activation lock. My device is now fully bypassed. No more iCloud activation lock. Final thoughts. Now let's talk about PassFab iPhone Unlocker. The software supports all iPhones and iPad models, including the latest iOS 26 and iPhone 17 series. It works for situations like iPhone is disabled, forgot iPhone passcode, stuck in MDM lock, or purchased a second-hand iPhone with iCloud activation lock. So guys, go ahead and join thousands of users who've successfully unlocked their iPhones using PassFab iPhone Unlocker. Click the link below to download the tool and get back into your device. No hassle and no Apple ID needed. Make sure to use the discount code, which you can find in the description below the video. So this is our video for today. Like the video if it helped you, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching and happy unlocking.